Here I am. I got a 1970 Dodge Coronet 440. This has been fully restored recently, 2019 completion. I have all the service records since 1973 and some of the original documentation from the first owner. This has been placed in the registry as a one of one due to the sequence number at the plant. Galen Govier, if that's how you pronounce his name, has it registered at the Mopar registry. Car came out of Colorado, rust free, B7 blue, it's a dark blue color, and it just received a fabulous full restoration. Everything has been rebuilt or replaced. Majority of it has been rebuilt. Gorgeous show paint job on the factory color B7 dark blue. The Dodge Coronet has its original chrome and grille, along with all the original stainless steel. The Magnum 500 wheels have been installed with BF Goodrich radial TAs all around. The back tires are obviously wider than the front, and you can see the sizes of those wheels in my pictures. Look at that reflection. It's ready for a show. Factory blue interior. No rips, no tears. Excellent condition. Check out those door jambs. Excellent door panels. Look at the lips on the doors. Beautiful. Beautiful restoration. Beautiful back seat, all seat belts intact, nice package tray, excellent headliner, dome light is working, all the front seat belts, shoulder straps are intact. Look at the jambs, how perfect they are. Excellent dash, showing 7,020 miles, which is 107,020 miles on the body, but less than 1,000 on the full restoration. Actually, it's less than a few hundred, but who's gonna believe that? Gauges are perfect. Turn signals are working. Wipers, horn, radio, lights. Excellent, excellent, excellent Coronet 440. So here we are, we'll pump it twice. Turn signal. I checked the horn already. Wipers, really nice. Heat works excellent on the car, and now I'll show you the engine. This is a numbers matching car, all documented with Mopar registry, Galen Govier. Look at the restoration on this thing. Look at the complete detail and how it was completed. Excellent engine, it's been rebuilt. Less than 1,000 miles on the entire restoration. There's your fender tag. I did take a picture of it for your review. Look at this superb, superb show quality finish on this 1970 Dodge Coronet. Excellent. You guys want to see the trunk, which is in excellent body color condition, check out my photos. So once again, thank you for watching my 1970 Dodge Coronet 440 full restoration, documented, 383 numbers matching, 727 torque flight. and 8 3/4 numbers matching drivetrain on this beautiful 70 Coronets. Original sheet metal as far as the doors, the roof line, the hood. Quarters have been fully replaced. Nice original trunk lid, original chrome front and back with all the stainless, ready to go. If you guys need financing, go to lightstream.com. They offer financing with no money down, excellent rates. Go check them out. They'll approve you in 15 minutes. If you need a quote, it's no delivery charge for this Coronet with my $40,000 price tag, and that's a steal. Govier told me this car is worth about 60 grand plus. So it's a steal at $40,000 with delivery anywhere in the country except Puerto Rico and Alaska, and I can get that delivered. If you have any questions, please text me, call me at 847-848-1850. I'm happy to answer all questions. Full disclosure on my 1970 Dodge Coronet. Thank you for watching.